At ISUN Group, we believe that the future of energy is built on precision, innovation, and the power of the sun. Our latest achievement? The ISUN Enterprise project. Spanning the landscape of Tori, Gujarat, on the Rampur-Tori Road, this facility stands as a testament to our engineering excellence. With a robust 3.6 megawatt capacity, we have designed and executed this project to maximize efficiency and deliver high-performance renewable energy. At ISUN Group, we don't just install panels, we build the infrastructure for a cleaner world. This 3.6 megawatt milestone is a direct reflection of our commitment to pushing the boundaries of solar technology and supporting the regional grid with sustainable, reliable power. From site development to final commissioning, we are proud to lead the way.